to don and doff the Dräger X-plore 1700C and CV ranges of FFP masks. Don't forget to sanitize your hands before donning. Mask preparation. Remove the mask from its packaging. Always check the mask for defects. Before donning the mask, please ensure your face is clean-shaven to prevent leaks. Donning the mask. Hold your mask in your hand with the head straps hanging down. You must have had a fit test prior to wearing your mask. If you have long hair, it should be tied in a position that does not interfere with the head straps. Position the mask under your chin and over your nose. Slip the first strap over your head to the back of your neck. Pull the upper strap into position on the crown at the back of your head. Ensure the strap sits above your ears. Lower straps should be placed below the ears at the nape of the neck. Straps should not be twisted or crossed over. Adjust the nose clip to minimize leakage and make sure the nose clip has a smooth fit around the nose and there are no gaps. Cover the mask with both hands and exhale. The mask should inflate slightly. If any air escapes at the side of the mask, readjust the mask until it fits properly and ensure that the nose clip is positioned correctly on your nose. Doffing the mask. When doffing the mask, only touch the adjustable straps and not the filter material of the mask. Pull the adjustable straps over your head. Dispose of your mask immediately after use, according to local requirements and guidelines. Important: sanitize hands immediately after doffing. How to don and doff the Dräger X-plore 1700C and CV ranges of FFP masks.